Welcome to the Padma Awards 2022 portal. Today, I will share the steps how to register for the Padma Awards 2022 and how to nominate your hero. Now, please follow the steps. Firstly, open any web browser. In search menu bar, please type Padma Awards 2022. Then click on the first link. There you go to the portal. Here, click on click here. Then you will redirect to the login page. If you are a new user, click on the registration or else log in with your credentials. In this page, you have to fill the details about yourself such as nominator type, designation, first name, last name, mobile number and email ID. And these start fields are mandatory. So in nominator type, select citizen, enter your first name. And then enter mobile number. Now enter CAPTCHA. Click on submit button. Now you will receive OTP for your registered mobile number. And then enter CAPTCHA. Click on verify OTP. Now enter password. The password should be of 6 characters, 1 uppercase character and 1 lowercase, minimum 1 lowercase and 1 special characters. Enter CAPTCHA. Click on save button. Now you will receive a notification window which says you have been successfully registered. Kindly log in to proceed. So now you can log into the portal either of two ways. One is with your login credential, that is login ID, which has been shared to your mobile number, and with your login OTP, which has been shared to your mobile number. Enter CAPTCHA. Click on sign in. Here, click on new nomination. Here you have to select the award, so which has been already selected, Padma Award, and select the category, that is Padma Shri, and then select the field, social work, and then click on submit. Here, click on nominate someone else. Select the title as Mr. and then enter the first name. Shamanuru Shivashankarappa. And then father's name. If you don't know the date of birth, just check on date of birth not available. Then enter age number. Again here, these starred fields are mandatory. Nationality Indian, country India, state select Karnataka, district select Davangere. Profession enter educationalist. Now click on save and next. Here have to write up a work done by the nominee, brief write up on the work done by the nominee. Select copy, paste. Number of years working in the field 60 years. Now click on save and next. So here in this page you have to enter the awards details. Year of award 1985. Field service. Type of award international. Awarding authority. Copy paste. Then click on add. If you want to add one more award, you can click on plus. Here you can add another award. So same procedure you have to follow to enter extra awards. Now, for any other relevant information, copy this and paste it here. Here in this field you have to upload a photo of the nominee. Click on choose file and go to the page where you have saved the photo. So here in this field you have to attach a supporting document. Click on choose file and select this document. Click on open. Now click on save as draft. So now here you have to click on final submit. Here you can click on view icon to see the preview of the nomination. Here all the details entered by you is visible. Now you can log out of the portal. Thank you.